The task was to come up with at least 12 polynomial vocabulary words. However, I went the extra mile and came up with 13. 12 plus 1 is 13. Polynomials are made up of terms that are only added, subtracted, or multiplied. Poly means many, and nomial, in this case, numbers. 5x plus 7. This is a polynomial. A term is part of an expression separated by positive or negative signs. For example, that right there is a term, and this is a term, and they are separated by a negative sign. A coefficient is a number multiplied times a product of variables or powers of a variable in a term. An example of this could be 12x cubed y. As you can see, a number multiplied times a product of variables, or a power. A variable is a quantity that changes or takes on different values. It can also be a letter or a symbol representing such a quantity. An example of a variable could be A, B, C, or X. An exponent is in the power, and it tells how many times the base is used as a factor. 8 to the second power is also translated to 8 times 8, because it is telling how many times the base is used as a factor, twice. A monomial is a polynomial with only one term. For example, 3x squared, or 8. A binomial is a polynomial with two terms that aren't like terms. For example, 2x minus 3. A trinomial is a polynomial with three terms that aren't like terms. For example, 8x squared plus 3x minus 2. A constant term is a term in a simplified expression or equation that contains no variable. If there is no such term, then the constant term is 0. For example, 3 is a constant term.
In the expression
3 plus 2x minus 5x squared. The degree of a polynomial is the greatest of its exponents in a term after it has been simplified. For example, the degree in this polynomial would be the 4, since it is the highest exponent. The standard form for writing a polynomial is putting the term with the largest exponent, it is 5 in this case, first from the highest exponent down to the lowest exponent. A linear polynomial is a polynomial with a degree of 1. A quadratic polynomial is a polynomial with a degree of 2.